Oh yeah.
Good evening, guys. This is I just want to unbox. Actually, it's been unboxed already. I just want to show you the Intel Galileo Gen 1 board that I talked about when I sent a mail to you. So if you look at it, this is Intel Galileo, and that's a picture of the old man. It says, "What will you make?" And you can actually order here. You see all the stuff. Okay, so I have two, and I have also the seed, which is the kit. Okay, the IoT edition starter kit. Okay, I will show you the content of the two shortly. So now let's start with this one. If you look at inside, you see the sketch diagram, or what I call it, it's just a diagram of the setup of the whole thing. Okay, how the interfaces to the computer and so on. So we'll see now. So coming back, so it says, what will you make? Okay, so that means you can actually make a lot of things. Like I said, this is how the board looks like. Okay, now so let me show you the real thing. Okay, before that, I think you can see the container here. This is the board. Now this is the power supply. Okay, this is USB. Okay, and this is the connector, and this connects to the board. Okay, and this goes to this 3-pin plug or 2-pin, and there are adapters that you can use to adapt it to, depending on the kind of mount or pin that your word outlet has. Okay, so going back, and this is the Intel Gen 1 board. So like this is the power supply. Okay, and this is for signal, USB 1 and USB client, and this another one. You can't see it properly, but probably you'll see it in class one of these days, or probably tomorrow or Monday when I have you. So that's how the board looks like. That's the main processor here, and you'll see. So this is where we're going to sit one of the sieves on. Okay, so this is how it's just for you to have the look and feel. Okay, and that's that. So let me go to the seed. Okay, the seed, that's the component, and what is written here in the seed is, it says Groove Starter Kit Plus is a modular electronic platform for engineers, designers and artists to turn their ideas into reality. Okay, so this is, we call it a studio. Okay, now inside, before I open this, what we have here, we look at the cables connecting them, the power supply. Okay, this is the power supply. Okay, and another one here that is very important also is the network. It's for network interfacing this, because you said it's an IoT thing. Okay, interfacing is, you see, this is an RJ45 connector. Okay, and this is another one, so you can actually interface with the network aspect of the system. Okay, so these are some of the cables we use for jumping on bedboards. Okay, but these are also sorry, this is one of the LED that was used in my presentation there. So these are actually other adapters. You see, you can screw them on. They have screws. These are other sensors that came along with it. This is another one. Okay, and it says this is a speaker. You could see, so it's a speaker. It's a speaker that you could interface. So these are actually, oh, this must be again, lots of them here. Okay, I think these ones, there are things that you can pin to. It has a pin it to the motherboard for, I think it has a surface for wireless. I think it's wireless. Yes, they are antennas. Okay, they are antennas, wireless antennas. So I have lots of them there. All right, cool. So let me go to the, put this one back. I'll show you physically in class, but it's just for you to see how it is. Okay, so let me go now to the starter kit. Okay, open it up. You see, wow, what we have there. So this is a display unit. Okay, and you can actually jump it with the cables behind to the Galileo board, okay, to get some readings out as an output. Now these are the seeds. They call them seeds, okay, because like the guy that is doing his project with me, this is a good touch sensor. Okay, you can use this for the pressure we wanted to measure for that guy. Okay, now lots of them here. You can use this one in form of a potentiometer. Okay, all right. Okay, and a buzzer. This can stand as a buzzer. Okay, all of them, they have entry points for you to put the cables, and these cables are these ones shown here. You could see lots of them. It sits here for analog, and that will now sit on the other board I'm going to show you now. So this is another seed. Okay, what will this be? Okay, okay, right, I'll use something bigger to see because my sight is good. All right, so now we're still on here. Okay, so let me put this one down. Now if you see this and I take this out, see all the resistors we used and the LEDs, different colors. Okay, and this also, it's another, I think it's for pressure. Okay, for you to sense pressure. It's a sensor anyway. So this is another seed. Now this seed in particular, let me remove it from the foam protecting it. It has these legs here, and these legs are supposed to sit on the Galileo board with zero insertion first, ZIF. So you just sit it on it like this, and once it sits on it, then you can now connect anything you want to connect here. So these are analog inputs, and like I said, you use any of these cables, okay, to take here, okay, and feed it on any of these our sensors that are taking analog inputs in. Okay, now we did a little of this in microprocessor engine, no, not microprocessor, now we'll call it 561, right? What is that one? Computer organization and architecture. So you could see I2C, I2C, I2C. So these are for I2Cs. Okay, now these are for digital lines. You can see D4, D3, D2, and this is UART that we did, which is a serial input. I think we did that too in first semester. All right, so everything is actually here on this adapter, so to say, okay, that comes with the kit. Okay, so it has this too. So depending, so it's like you are limited by your own dream. Okay, so that's what I just want to show for you to know. So for those of you that feel it's going to be useful, you can actually, although like I said, you have few days to submission of your project, but for those of you that want to try your hands on them, can still come. And for those of you getting inaccurate readings, there's a temperature sensor, the pressure sensor, and so on. You can come and we'll try it together. Then another thing I will not fail to tell you, I should not fail to tell you, is that it works with the Arduino sketches. Okay, so once you have your code running on Arduino, you can actually get it interfaced with this hardware. So basically, that's all I wanted to know. And Arduino has a good efficiency that is optimal, because so we can actually run these things using the Arduino sketches, and that was what we used throughout the workshop, the 10 days hands-on workshop I had on this. When this was introduced in 2014, sometime in 20, I think October. It was, like I said, it was myself, Dr. Abasi, and now Dr. Lekan, who works with PASU. Okay, so that's that. So I'll see you in class maybe on Monday or tomorrow for those interested to come tomorrow. Okay, so good night.